Alright, and as you can see, it is finishing now. It says reboot device. It is now 11:29, so it took about 9 minutes for it to go through. Gonna go ahead and click reboot device. It's gonna go ahead and restart your phone. Right? Now, I'll just show you guys this is the same device. Right there. Now you see we have Siri right there, but we're not going to touch that yet. I'll just show you that yes, this is the same device, the iPhone 4. Right there, iPhone 4 GSM, blah blah blah. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go to Safari and open a new page, and we're going to type in Siri port.ru/1.crt. Just enter it just like that. Siri port.ru/1.crt. Go ahead and hit go. It's going to switch to that. You're going to see install profile. It does say not trusted, basically just because it's a third-party app. You're going to click on install, and then you're going to click on install. And we'll switch to trusted. You're going to click done. And again, you're going to restart your phone here. Slide to power off. And turn it back on. Alright, now you're going to go to Settings. It will show that you installed that profile. That profile is basically right there. Profile. Okay, so what you're going to do is go back up here to Siri. It should be off. You're going to go ahead and click Siri and turn Siri on. It's going to show it right here for my info. It should say your info. If it doesn't, just click on it and see where that takes you. I haven't really had to mess with that on the devices that I've had to do this with. It's usually automatic. So you're going to turn that on, and I would suggest you reboot your device one more time just in case. Okay. And this is the part where you have to have a lot of patience. I mean, a ton of patience. It took me over 3 hours on each one of the phones that I've done so far to get Siri to actually work. It is installed, as you can see here. So there's the dictation right there. Hi Siri. Now she'll say, I'm really sorry about this. I cannot take any requests right now. Please try again in a little while. You will get really sick and tired of hearing that.
I'm really sorry about this, but I can't take any requests right now. Please try again in a little while.
There's that. Now you just have to keep trying, keep pressing the home button and saying hi Siri. Basically the hi Siri is what activates her. Just like I said, just keep doing that. If you want to, go to utility, or go to Cydia again. Click manage and go to Siri port. Just click modify and you can reinstall it. This time it'll be really quick. It only takes about 5 to 10 seconds to reinstall it. If you want, you can remove it completely and reinstall it, but that will take, again, the 5 to 20 minutes. You can keep messing with that. Just keep trying, keep saying hi Siri, keep reinstalling it. Hi Siri. Like I said, just have patience. Eventually it will work. I've done this on, 3 devices now, and it's worked eventually on all of them.
I'm really sorry about this, but I can't take any requests right now. Please.
So like I said, just keep doing that. If you have to, you can go to iFile, which you can get from Cydia. It is, I believe, I think it was $2 or something like that. And you can go into, Let's see if I can remember what it was. Got to go VAR, mobile, I believe, library, preferences, and then find com.appleassistant.plist. It's going to be right there, com.apple.assistant.plist right here. And again, there's the directory. You're going to go to var/mobile/library/preferences, and you're going to click on edit, and you're going to click on that com.apple.assistant and click on the trash can icon and move file to trash, and that will delete that. For some reason, some people, it is necessary to do that. I'm not sure why. So basically, like I said, just keep reinstalling it, keep trying it, keep saying hi Siri, and eventually she will work. She'll just out of nowhere start talking to you. Hi Siri. Just have patience, guys. I mean, like I said, it took me over 3 hours on each device of constantly reinstalling and everything, so.
I'm really sorry about that.
So there you go. If anybody has questions, message me, email me, whatever. Thank you.